Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. So let's get started. So first, what you're going to do is you have to sign up in Wix Studio. So you have to go to Wix sign up or Wix Studio sign up, create an account, and this is what it looks like. So again, you have to open a new tab and then type Wix sign up. Click sign up right here. So basically, you can sign up using your email address, password. You can also sign up using your Google account. You just have to connect your Google account. And you can also sign up using your Facebook. So for me, the easiest way to sign up is through Google account. So I just have to connect my Google account. And then once done, then basically you can now go back and start using your Wix Studio. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so in Wix Studio, you can simply create a new site here and you can select from their templates or you can start from blank canvas. So for this tutorial, we're going to click blank canvas or let's just start from scratch. Tap this one, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. So this is the header. This is the section. If you want to add another section, just click add another section. This is the open specter. So what I'm going to do right now is we're going to add a media right here. So you can, change the size if you want. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this add element right here. And then go to media. You have to scroll down. This time, I want you to look for Pro Gallery. And Pro Gallery is in the media section. You can see here single gallery, pro. So this time we're going to use this one for easier way to create infinite gallery. Or let's just say infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. So you have to choose from any of this. There are tons of designs here that you can choose. So let me tap or go back to Pro Gallery and click this one right here. So if I'm going to tap this, then it will be added automatically to that blank canvas or this blank section right here. Okay, you can double tap or just click and it's now adding to Wix. And you have to stretch this one so that you can see the whole or it's like visible, something like that. And then what you're going to do here is you can now manage this section. So you can either change the images. For example, if you're going to promote your product, promote your business, company, or if you want to present something, then you can basically click add media and simply import or replace image and import a picture or video. Let's just say maybe from your computer, from your Google Photos, from your Google Drive. Okay, so if I tap this upload media right here, then basically you can upload an image or video from the following Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, and so on, or from your computer. Or you can also go to Wix Gallery and search for a specific image that you think you can use. For example, you are selling bags, something like that. So you can search for bags right here and then select the bag that you want to promote. Okay, and then you just have to click the other one and then replace image again. Tap this, replace image, and then add the image one, click done, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then this images will appear right here. Okay, so you have added the image. Now you're going to tap settings or Wix Pro Gallery here. You can, change everything like the layout, but we're going to use this one. We will not change this. And then after that, you can also click settings and then toggle whatever you want to toggle on here. And then after that, you can now select design. So you can, tap here, whatever you want to change. For example, the opacity, and then you can change effects right here. You can change the color if you want, and you can also set duration right here if you want. So basically, if you want to do or add some changes, Just go to Wix Pro Gallery and you will see the settings, design, layout, and feel free to change everything here as long as you want to improve your presentation or your infinite gallery. Okay, so once you're done, then basically you can go back, and if you want to change something, just click or double click this picture again or this gallery again. So let's go to preview and let's see the result. So yes, that's it. That's how easy it is to create infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. So you can do other way, but the easiest for me is to just simply go to media, go to Pro Gallery, and then add this one, add the images or videos that you want to promote here, go to settings, set some changes, and then that's it. If you go to preview, then you can see that it's now moving and it's now showing your products. Now again, if you want or if you think that there's something need to change here, for example, effects, text, and then if you want to add arrows, opacity, background, something like that, duration, delay, something like that, you just have to go to Wix Pro Gallery and change. And again, if you want to change the picture, you just have to double click and then add some media, add some pictures and videos, and just replace it. Okay, so again, you have to tap this preview button to see the result. Okay, so basically that's it. If you want to add another section, just go and click add section. Go to media, go to Flow Galleries, and then add pictures. And that's it. Take note you can add transition and effects to each picture or video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.